Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must start with admin access and a secure backup of the current rule set. Export the configuration now. Next, list the specific hosts, services, and ports being blocked so you can target changes. Make sure you note the firewall model and firmware version to avoid incompatible commands. Once done, open the management interface or SSH session and verify you can reach the device. This avoids surprises when you modify policies and provides a rollback point if anything goes wrong. You'll now create focused allow rules that permit the needed traffic rather than broadly opening everything. Add rules with precise source, destination, and port ranges, then move them above general deny rules so they take effect immediately. Enable logging for the new rules to monitor hits and unintended matches. Once implemented, test connectivity from a representative client in a staging segment or during a brief maintenance window. If traffic still fails, inspect logs and use packet capture to see where packets are. After successful tests, commit the configuration and document every change. Rule ID, timestamps, and purpose. Monitor logs and rule hit counters for 24 to 72 hours to ensure no collateral breaks. If a legitimate service still fails, reproduce the failure while capturing packets on both firewall and host to see where traffic stops. Make sure to compare active rules versus intended rules to catch shadowed entries. Finally, if you must revert, use the exported backup to restore the prior state, and then iterate with narrower adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.